Hi, I want to talk to you about the Capstone project. After you watch this, you will have sort of an overview assignment sheet that's going to walk you through the various parts of the Capstone project. So a capstone project, that may not be a familiar term to you. The main thing that you want to know about it is that it is designed to build on previous learning. So the essays that you are assigned to read from the book, and the documentaries that you are assigned to watch and write responses to, those, the Capstone project is designed to build on that learning. So in this English 101 class, you will critically examine and you will take a position on a specific, narrowly focused and significant concern in entertainment media. So that might be film, television. It could be technology. We'll have some essays that will discuss technology. And maybe there's not a lot in the book about it, but another option would be commercial, popular culture. I'm thinking specifically about commercial sports, because they are packaged entertainment, okay? And you're doing this with a focus on identifying, so just that means defining, describing, and then evaluating, judging cultural values. So the messages in that TV show, in the messages in that film, okay? Now, one of the things that can be a sort of mental block is thinking, well, it's just a TV show, or it's just a film. I like it, right? So on one level that's true, but on another level it's actually not true, because no film, television series out there exists as pure entertainment. And some of the first reading that we're going to be doing is going to sort of describe how technology is never neutral. Now, you're going to be looking at film, you're going to be looking at television, you're going to be looking at commercial sports differently than you are used to looking at them. It's okay to like a film. It's okay to like a television series or have a favorite sports team, okay? But we're not interested in exploring taste or preference in this project. What we're interested in is identifying cultural values and messages. So, for instance, does the film glorify violence? Okay. Does the film draw images of, race that are limiting or stereotypical or even degrading? Okay? Those are the sort of questions, right, that you want to be looking at. What is the film, all these things, they're telling us stories sometimes. What's the story they're telling us, okay? So those are the kind of ways you want to start. Right now, the reason I want to put this out there immediately is so that right now you just start paying attention. You start looking at things with this sort of question. What's going on? What's up with that? Right? And it can be something that you like. I will tell you, it can be really also very hard to do this project with something that you really, really like. Right now, I could not do this well. I couldn't write this essay well if I were to be trying to write about the television show The Good Wife, because I just want to like it, okay? And so make sure when you settle on something that it's not just a quick, oh yeah, I like that, I'll do that. liking it is totally beside the point. It can actually be easier to do this project if you find a topic about which you are concerned, right? And it can even be this sort of feeling like you walk out of a film or whatever and you're like, yeah, I really like that. But you're like, oh, but should I? I'm not sure if I should really have liked, when that character, right? When you start wondering those kinds of things. So I just want to put this out there now. I want to put it out there to give you an idea about start looking at messages that you pick up on in television shows, in film, in professional sports, the way that these things are packaged, right? Those can promote some certain values and send messages. And the other thing I just want to put out here is how much is earned from this particular project. So it's going to earn more than half of the points in the class. So I want to be right up front with you and for you to know what you're getting into. You're going to want to choose a topic that you're comfortable spending a good amount of time thinking about. Certainly, if a couple weeks into it, you believe that in fact, you don't like that topic, can you change it? Probably. You don't want to go probably more than a couple weeks. Like you're going to be writing a proposal, you're going to be turning in a list of sources, and you're going to be then turning a draft in to me that is going to be reviewed and I'll comment on. Then you can review it. You can revise it then. But it's going to be a big chunk of your time here. So I just kind of wanted to put that out there. Kind of wanted to have a chance just to chat at you. And we're going to do another essay first, but there's no reason why I can't just tell you right off the bat how important this particular part of the class is, that it's more than half of your grade. We're going to start thinking about it, thinking about topics, certainly within a couple of weeks. Okay? All right. That's all for now.